So let's start building our cart page right now. So click on cart. We need to actually build our cart page. So let's close all this. We don't actually need them. We do need some couple of things from our cart. Let's just copy this. We actually need this for our cart. So let's go over to our cart page and views cart. Yeah. So right here, first thing, let's put this. We need item, and we need total. Okay, we also need total. So total, which is the total price for items within our cart. Okay, makes sense. Yeah, this is all we need to do. So let's just connect this with React Redux. So let's use the connect method. Yeah. So map state to props. This is it. Yes. So this is basically the start of it. uh, like I did earlier, I'm just going to paste the code. They are just HTML. I'm just going to paste the code. All right. So right here, let's just fix all this error. Let's just fix all this error. So the first one is item is not fun. Let's just, since we're mapping this to the props, let's just go ahead and structure that out first. So items, this will come from props. Okay, that makes sense. And yeah, we also need to structure total. Okay. Yes, so the next thing we need to do is loading. We don't actually need this for now. All right. We need to actually build this cart item. Like this is actually a card. So let's just go ahead and build that right now. So right here within our components, let's just see cart. And right now I'm just going to copy the code from the source code in the repo. I'm just going to copy it because they're basically doing the same thing. So let me just go ahead and copy that. All right, so you can see that right now. Let me just make this optional. You can see that right now. This is like remove items. We have a method right here that helps us remove item from cart. Basically we just taking the method that we created in our Redux, we just passing it the product as a we're just passing the product as a parameter for the as an argument for the function, and that will just remove item from the cart. So simple as that. We need to actually import this now. So let's just go ahead and import that. All right, our cart is empty. Let's go ahead and just add items to our cart. Let's see that. All right, so you can see, and you can see the total price here. If I should remove an item, you can see, and everything works fine. I can click on this to view the product itself, and I can go to my cart and the product is still there. And the next thing I need to do right now is to count the number of carts we have in our header. So let's go to our header. Okay, and right here we need something similar like this. We need something similar like this. Okay, so right here we need to actually connect. We don't need total, so let's just connect this with Redux. Connect, and this will be app map state to props. Okay, makes sense. And we can now import connect. All right, I think this is all we need to do. And right here we need to destructure the items All right, makes sense. And right here, let's just see. We'll just say items dot length. Okay, simple as that. And if we go back to our view, let's just refresh. So we have 0, and we should go ahead. Let's add that. So you can see the items. Let's keep adding. Alright, we have 6 items, and if I should remove this, you can see it has turned to 5. And basically this is our cart page. The next thing we need to build right now is to build the make payment button and connect this with Stripe so that we can accept payment on our website. So subscribe if you're new here, and turn on notification, and you can recommend my videos to your friend, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.